Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to change the meat pan on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we simply need to open up our refrigerator. We'll remove the old deli drawer or meat pan and discard it. And to install a new one, we simply need to line it up with the track underneath the shelf and slide it back into place. Now to prolong the life of the deli drawer, we suggest that when you pull it out, if it's full, you want to make sure that you support the weight of it. Otherwise, it's all resting on the two rear corners and it can crack quite easily. As well, when cleaning it, simply remove it completely from the refrigerator and wash it with lukewarm water and a dishwasher soap. Rinse well, allow it to dry, and again, make sure that we line up the edges of that pan with the rails, and be sure to always push it firmly back into place. And your repair is complete.